Hi guys, Roger back with you from Gateway Cycles here in beautiful Mount Sterling. Got a new side-by-side we took in today. Wanted to give you a quick rundown on it. This is a 2018 Kawasaki Mule SX XC in Camo. Give you a quick walk around here of the machine. This thing's got way too many extras for me to list all of them, but I'll try to give you a quick rundown on the majority of them here. Good clean machine. Spent its life in an RV park, just running back and forth. 12.8 hours. Didn't even do much of that, obviously. All right, let's start up front here. Give you a good close-up here. We've got a Badland winch on this machine. We got some additional LED lighting on the machine. We've got the Kawasaki scratch-resistant windshield. We have the Realtree soft cab enclosure here. Very nice. Also has the hard top mounted underneath the camo so that we've got a good secure top on it. The wheels have been painted olive drab green. I'll give you a good close-up of that there. Get on around here to the back and we've got a nice receiver hitch on here. I'll give you a close-up of that. And let's take a look inside here at a few of the goodies. In here we've got a rear view mirror, gun rack, we've got seat covers, there's the dash. We got 12.8 hours, and we got nice rocker switches to control all the add-on features. That winch also comes with a remote control. Hunting season's about here, guys. This thing would be absolutely perfect for it. Come on down here to Gateway Cycles and check this thing out yourself, or check it out on our website, www.gatewaycycles.com. Thanks for watching, guys.